Pictet is probably one of the few asset managers that focuses on the lower mid-market.
The supply-demand dynamics, in our view, are really in our favor. If you take the UK, for example, 99% of companies are small SMEs.
This is somewhat of an abandoned segment by our peers as they seek out scalability and the higher fees associated with it.
We're seeing higher protection on the credit documentation. We're seeing higher margins, so a higher payoff for the risk we're taking.
We have the ability to offer lower mid-market exposure on a pan-European basis. We therefore have local teams in each of Paris, Frankfurt, and our London offices.
When it comes to origination, it is very important to be locally on the ground, from a cultural perspective, from a language perspective.
For every loan we make, we take a bespoke approach and are being advised by the leading law firms.
We can find investment opportunities in niche segments that are quite insulated from wider macroeconomic trends.
ESG considerations are an absolutely core and integral part to our entire investment process.
We did finance a software company that provides the leading solution used by property energy diagnosticians when they carry out energy performance assessments.
So this asset very much plays into that transition towards net zero within the property market in France. The experience myself and the investment team members have accumulated over the last decade in helping form and shape the private credit market industry, we bring to Pictet our ability to analyze credits, select credits, and structure solutions in the right manner ensures that we're able to protect ourselves from a principal preservation perspective in the long run.
The good thing about working for a company that is private as opposed to public is probably that we are under less pressure to show AUM growth, and therefore we can be focused on strong investment performance.
When we lend money, we lend it typically for up to 7 years. So the partnership approach with the businesses we are focusing on is actually quite valid.
That means helping them from an operational, strategic, or ESG standpoint. And being part of a vast Pictet organization that has that inherent knowledge within it gives us that competitive edge relative to some of our peers.